Have you been wondering how they used to download all these funny sounds used by skit makers and content creators? Like this sound.
Kasongo, yeah. Mombali nanga.
This. And this.
I don't want peace.
Come with me.
I
Let me
want
show you on how to download these funny sounds in your phone. Let's go. All right, go to your browser and type this. My instant trading in Nigeria. This particular one here. That is the one you are going to click. Just tap on it. These are the different funny sounds. There are many. You can go down and see there are too many. So if you want to play it first before you download, you tap on the button and you will hear the sound.
Kasongo, yeah. Mombali nanga. Kasongo.
This is another sound. There are many.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
So if you want to download any sound, simply click on the name. Like this Kasongo, just tap on the name. You scroll down. Now go to download MP3. Very simple. And within a minute, it's not even up to a minute, within 5 seconds, it have downloaded. It doesn't waste time. So go to download to MP3. You tap on it. I've downloaded it before. That's why it's saying download again. So let me just click on it. It have downloaded. You open. You can access it here in your phone.
Kasongo, yeah.
So please do well to like, comment, and share for others to learn. Thank you so much.